Namaste. We're going to practice Kapalbhati breathing. Kapalbhati is a shat karma, a cleansing pranayam. So when you break the word down, the kapal means skull and bhati means illuminating or shining. So you could translate it into English as shining skull breath. There are numerous benefits to practice Kapalbhati breathing. First of all, detoxification. So when you exhale the excess carbon dioxide and other toxins from the lungs, we're purifying the lungs. It improves the lung capacity. It also helps clear the naval passages. Second, it energizes both the body and the mind. We're oxygenating the blood, and that leads to greater awareness. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, acting as a natural energy booster. Mental clarity. The breath enhances the focus, our mental clarity, and our concentration. Also, increased oxygen and prana flow, and therefore we aid in clearing and cleansing any kind of mental fog. And fourthly, we're strengthening the digestive fire, the juices in the belly, the agni, and the contractions in the abdomen. As we exhale actively and audibly, we gently massage the internal organs, and of course promotes better digestion. Cleansing, we're also cleansing and energizing. Kapalbhati, it balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain. Another way of explaining that would be you are balancing Ida and Pingala nadis, the little energy channels, and the Sushumna nadi, the spine, the energy channels, cleansing and purifying by having the oxygen flow through the body. And therefore it prepares you for higher states of, or deeper concentration, deeper meditation, and higher states of consciousness. Now, how do we practice? Before we do, let's talk about the precautions. If you have a hernia, high blood pressure, or you might be pregnant, just take it easy. Secondly, practice on an empty stomach. And thirdly, my advice to you is begin by doing, say, 2 rounds of 50. And then as you practice, you enhance your capacity, increase. And you can do a number of these practices of Kapalbhati. You can practice for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but start with, say, 2 rounds of 50. So how do we practice? We exhale audibly and actively through the nose. It's audible and active. I'll demonstrate in a moment. And the inhale is passive and quiet. So I'm going to demonstrate. Notice the audibility of the exhalation and the silence of the inhalation. It looks like this. You might like to place your hand just below the navel and notice. Let's practice together 3 rounds, three times. And you'll notice belly naturally goes in and up on your exhalation. So as we practice, try to keep the jaw relaxed, muscles around the mouth and face all relaxed. So let's move into the practice. Take a moment, set up your posture, spine and neck are in alignment, chin either parallel to the mat or gently tucked downwards. You can take Gyan Mudra, forefinger and thumb, very tips slightly touching on the knees. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Going to do the first round of 50 reasonably slowly together. So let's exhale together. Inhale to prepare. And begin. Exhaling completely, and then very gentle breathing. Resist the urge to gulp in breath. Just quiet, subtle breathing. Eyes are closed. Feel the impact of the Kapalbhati breathing. Shining skull pranayama. Cleansing and purifying. Awakening. Second round, so you can, if you feel to, always listen to your own body first. You're welcome to speed up the pace. Of course, you're also always welcome to keep the breath slow. Entirely up to you. Always listen to your own body first. Second round, ensure, take a moment, check the posture. Relax shoulders away from the ears. Let's exhale together to prepare. Inhale, preparing, and begin. Exhaling fully, and then very gentle, quiet breaths through the nose. Relax. You might like to place your awareness, your focus of attention in Ajna chakra, middle of the forehead, third eye. Few gentle breaths. Just take a moment. Feel the benefits of the Kapalbhati breathing. So that's 2 rounds. Start here, and then as you continue your practice, your daily practice, you're welcome to increase how many times you practice, and you can increase the counts to perhaps 100. You're welcome to let me know how it goes, make a comment. In the meantime, namaste. Thank you for practicing with me.